There is something ekumele ngintshengise yona ngeke ningikholwe. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Lalela mntomnyama, asiqale. What is the South African Reserve Bank? It is a South African central bank. Their duty, umsebenzi wabo, is to protect the South African rand. Understand ukuthi they issue ibona abasinika the South African banknotes and the coins. Kodwa the banknotes, the coins enziwa at the South African mint. That's a whole nother story. There's more. Is the South African Reserve Bank owned by the South African government? No. No, angizwa lento engishoyo. No, listen to me. It has a private shareholders. It is a South African central bank, but with private shareholders, and it operates independently. Angizwa lento. We don't own the thing that produces for us. If we don't own our own paper, are we the ones in control of the South African economy? Are we the ones in control of inflation? Are we the one? Do we even control our own country? Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and understand ukuthi on paper there are rules that the shareholders have to follow, allegedly. Understand ukuthi they cannot decide interest rates, they cannot tell the bank how much paper to print, they cannot decide monetary policies, they cannot access the bank's reserve services, they cannot take profits as individuals, allegedly. Imagine owning shares kuyinto eyakha imali. I can't say this in English, izosuswa le video. Listen to me. Imagine owning shares kuyinto eyakha imali. Angizwa lento engishoyo. Understand? Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and understand ukuthi the South African government, it does not own the South African Reserve Bank, but kumele siyibuze ukuthi what power do they have over the South African Reserve Bank. Understand ukuthi the government can appoint a governor, a deputy governor, and some board members. Understand ukuthi they can pass and amend legislation governing the Reserve Bank. They can receive surplus profits. They can receive surplus profits. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes the South African Reserve Bank yakha imali eningi. And when the South African Reserve Bank yakhe imali eningi, kuba khona i-surplus, kuba khona extra esalayo. Le extra esalayo, i-surplus, on paper, it is written down umthetho ukuthi they must give leyo paper to the South African government. So yini lena that the government cannot do when it comes to the South African Reserve Bank? Understand ukuthi they can't print e-paper whenever they want. They can't lower or raise interest rates for political reasons. They can't change inflation targets without following legal frameworks akhona. They can't spend imali from foreign exchange. They can't remove governors without doing legal procedures. Basically, there's so much that they can't do because phela manje it's privately owned. The real question that you should be asking is, where does the South African Reserve Bank get their money?